This right here is all you need to start a business in Dubai. In this video, I'll guide you through each step to set up your business in Dubai effortlessly. Watch until the end because I'm going to reveal the best place to network in Dubai. Dubai, a place where you can find your next business partner and meet all the interesting people in the city. Dubai offers many businesses opportunities, but it also comes with initial challenges. Moving to a new country and setting up a business can be overwhelming. Let me share my personal experiences and a detailed guide to help you navigate this process smoothly. Step-by-step guide to setting up a business in Dubai. Number 1, identify the nature of your business activity. So, the first thing you need to do is figure out what kind of business you're starting. The UAE offers 6 main types of licenses: commercial, industrial, professional, tourism, agricultural, and occupational. So picking the right one is super important. For instance, if you're launching a new tech startup company, you might need to go for a commercial or professional license. If you're in the cryptocurrency space, make sure your activities comply with the central bank's regulations and consider a free zone that supports your fintech businesses. 2. Register your trade name. Next, you'll need a unique business name. The good news is the UAE government has made this process a breeze with apps that help you check and register your trade name effortlessly. Once you've got your name, apply for initial approval. Think of this as a green light to move forward with your business plans. 3. Create an LSA or MOA. Now, depending on your business type, you'll need a Memorandum of Association, MOA, or a Local Service Agent, LSA agreement. These documents are key. They outline your business structure and any local partnerships you might have. 4. Choose a business location. Choosing the right location is vital. You can set up shop in the mainland or in a free zone. Mainland versus free zone. Mainland companies can trade within the UAE market and have more flexibility. On the other hand, free zone companies enjoy perks like no taxes, 100% ownership, and easy profit repatriation. Free zones are perfect for businesses focused on international trade and services. For example, Dubai Silicon Oasis is great for tech startups, while Dubai Multi-Commodities Center, DMCC, is ideal for cryptocurrency and fintech businesses. Number 5, submit required documents. Gather all the necessary documents such as your business plan, passport, copies, and any other specific approvals needed for your business activity. Make sure to pay for the required fees promptly to keep the process moving smoothly. Number 6, collect your business license. Once everything is approved, you'll get your business license. This is the official green light that lets you start operating in Dubai. Number 7, register with the local Chamber of Commerce. Finally, make sure to register with the local Chamber of Commerce in your industry. This step is crucial for networking and compliance. It helps you establish credibility and connect with local business networks. Now, let's talk about this Snow Golden Visa. This is UAE's Golden Visa. It's a long-term residency visa designed to attract and retain some top talent from around the world. It's available to investors, entrepreneurs, specialized talent, researchers, and outstanding students. But how does it benefit business owners specifically? Number 1, long-term residency. The Golden Visa grants a residency period of 5 to 10 years, renewable. This long-term stability is invaluable for business planning and growth. It allows you to focus on scaling your business without the constant worry of visa renewals. Number 2, 100% ownership. With the Golden Visa, you can have full ownership of your business. This means you make decisions independently and retain all the profits, which is especially beneficial in free zones known for offering 100% foreign ownership. Number 3, family sponsorship. You can sponsor family members, including spouse, children, and parents. This ensures that your loved ones can stay with you in the UAE, providing a stable and supportive environment as you build your business. Number 4, freedom to stay outside the UAE. Unlike standard residency visas, the Golden Visa allows you to stay outside the UAE for extended periods without affecting your residency status. This is particularly useful if you have business interests in multiple countries and need to travel frequently. Now, in setting up your business, you need a place to work and network. That's where Nas House comes in. It's not just a hotel, it's the best place in Dubai for ambitious people to gather. With a co-working space, vibrant environments, and a community of interesting people, Nas House is where you'll find your next business partner. The ambience here is incredible. Surrounded by greenery, a relaxing pool, a design that's perfect for working, The overall atmosphere is just what you need to stay productive. Nas House offers high-speed internet, plus recreational areas including a gym, pool, and community space. Let me show you my favorite spot here. You can't find this in other co-working spaces. A cat room. There is also a recording studio, free-flowing coffee, and even a Philly cafe, one of the best cafes in Dubai. Inside the co-working space, the community here is fantastic. You'll meet founders, creators, and just some really cool people. Just check out the members wall. The vibe is super friendly and there are plenty of networking opportunities. You might even bump into one of these guys at one of the many events held here. Plus, it's open 24/7, so you can work whenever inspiration strikes. Nas House offers several membership options. You can become a founding member, a regular member, or opt for a day pass. With all these perks, Nas House truly offers great value for money. It's not just a place to network, it's a community where you can thrive. Conclusion. Starting a business in Dubai is a rewarding venture filled with opportunities. Remember, the right support and community are crucial. Consider Nas House for all your networking and co-working needs. Subscribe to our channel for more insights on living and doing business in Dubai. Like this video, share it with your friends, and leave any comments in the questions below. We might even organize meetups in Dubai at Nas House soon. Stay tuned.